Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to Maple Leaf Customs. I'm Andrew, and on the bench today is a box jam-packed with wheels and other bits and pieces from Samet Wheels. They've been collaborating with Maple Leaf Customs for the past year and a half, and this came in the mail just recently. It's what they call a surprise box. It's not an order that I made, it's more of a promotional box to help me show you, my viewers, a broad stroke picture of what they have to offer to the diecast hobby community. And let's face it, the right set of wheels can either make or break your custom. Samet makes a great product and I highly recommend them to you. I get personalized service whenever I deal with them, right from the big guy himself. Enrique is growing a strong company with a solid reputation, and they've got a huge inventory for you to choose from, some of which you'll see right here, interspersed with pics from some of my own customs sporting Samet wheels, transforming them into something special. Like the set on this Hotbird, 12 millimeters in the back and 10 in the front with beautiful gold rims. Can you use neon blue like this? I put these on a Pagani Huayra and turned it into an RCMP cruiser as it fit the colors perfectly. What about a set of pink wheels? My wife Petra did this car herself last October for the Paint It Pink challenge. Bright green, no problem. That's an upcoming car that I'm doing as a tribute to Opa. Or just plain white, which you could always paint in the color that you need them to be to perfectly match your custom. Your wheels are going to come in little individual packages just like these. Here's a beautiful set of bronze ones that I've put on a Jägermeister livery Porsche 935 coming out later this summer. They've also got 4x4 supersized tires like these. I just put a very similar set onto this Rally Baja crawler that I'm doing for iRefix Diecast Jamaican Independence build. About a set of gold rims with red walls. Check. I just put them on the 67 Chevelle SS to put that car over the top. Or if you need something for your next JDM project, they've got a variety of colors like that lime green, which I made good use of. And look at this. Here's a whole bunch of packages of just the rubber tires that you can put on top of any set of rims you've got in matching sizes. These are predominantly 12 and 10 millimeter in size. And I did something like this for another upcoming summer build on this BMW 2002. I painted some Samet rims white and slipped over a set of these black tires. The perfect match that I was able to customize myself. Look, there's an infinite variety. Some of these are lettered, some of them are red walls, some of them are plain, different sizes. Again, there's some nice lettered, a little thicker, white tires, all kinds of sizes. My most recent job was this beautiful set of 5-spoke chrome staggered tires on a Camaro. So here's all the links you can use. I put them in the description for the World Wide Web, Instagram, Facebook, eBay pages, so you can easily get in touch with Samet. Look, they even included some axles for me. You can cut them to the perfect length for your car. They're quite soft, easy to crimp on one end. Got some new stickers for my workbench and my organizing boxes, and they even threw in this Datsun 510 casting. How cool is that? I'll get to work on this one after I get back from vacation in Canada. I don't know yet what I'll put on this one, but it'll be a set of Samet wheels. So that's my recommendation to you. Check them out by going to www.sametwheels.com and use the promo code MapleLeaf when you place your order to receive a free gift. I hope you'll follow that lead and transform your next several customs into something very special with Sam Ed Wheels. Wishing you a great day today. It's coffee time.